you turn that down? Oh. Trying to watch TV. We got subtitles on.
I'm just reading.
I know.
And I can't pay attention. See, I'm supposed to talk to you and read. I can't do that. The mind can't do so.
Okay, so first, for a thumbnail, you gotta pick up your food, okay?
No, I'm not being extra for the thumbnail.
Okay, but they can't see your food. That's the whole point. Okay.
I'm not. Bro, you be all extra, bro. Like you did with them donuts, bro.
Okay, but they can't see it, okay? Okay, see?
I'm not doing it.
Now, the next step is to no.
Bro, what?
No. This is a process.
Oh, this extraness, bro.
It is a process, okay?
Oh, this extraness.
Okay, you ready? Can you do my intro with me? No, we can't start eating. No! What's going on, Sheetsy friends? So today, as you can tell by the title, we are doing a little chicken wing mukbang, and we also have some fried pickles here.
No, you got fried pickles.
Okay, I have some fried pickles and some cheesy bacon fries, and then I also have barbecue wings. Okay, and then you want to show them your wings?
I got some. They call it creeper wings.
Yeah, so like
they just buffalo for real.
Yeah, and if you don't know, wait, pause. There you go. So it's even. This is my boyfriend, and if you're coming from my vlog channel and you've been subscribed to there for like 2 years or so, you would have seen him in my older videos, but he took a hiatus, so yeah, I feel like this is too loud.
It's not, bro.
He's trying to watch TV while we're filming.
I'm not trying to watch TV, it's just like, I like it in the background.
Okay, we're gonna start eating. He has blue cheese for his stuff.
Bro, blue cheese is good. I don't
need that.
It used to be slacking. That ranch, ranch is, oh no! Blue cheese is cool, but ranch is cool.
Wait, you don't like fried pickles?
No, not really.
Have you ever tried them?
Yes, I have.
Okay, by the way, I ordered all this food right here, like 1, 2, and 3, all for, like, I ordered it for all of us, but, well, both of us. But he said he's not eating it, so it looks like I'm just eating it all. You can have some.
I'll be some of your food. It's not nothing fried pickles.
Okay. Okay. So now, tell them about yourself. They don't know you. They know me, but they don't know you.
No, I ain't know me, man.
Okay. Robert, don't start this.
What?
Just fun facts, nothing personal. Things you like in life.
You?
I'm going to eat a chicken wing.
I'm living my life, man. I'm a low life.
Stop. I got chicken stuck in my teeth. You get it?
No.
Okay.
It's right there. There you go. Come on. There you go.
Okay. Tell them about yourself. Oh, wait. Did we tell them your name?
No.
His name's Robert.
Oh, God. The reason I was gone for so long is because it took a while for her to convince me to do this whole YouTube thing.
Like,
I don't
like months.
I don't get into the YouTube stuff for real, but I'm trying to support.
He still said he would not be in my vlogs, but he'll be in my mukbangs.
I like to eat.
I know. That's all it is. And talking, and we talk when we eat, so it's normal stuff.
What we do every day.
Exactly. It's just on camera.
Yeah.
Would you do more with me?
Fat though.
That's good. Are those good?
Yeah, they're not even hot.
Really?
But they spicy, but they're not hot for real. Still got them atomic wings though.
Atomic?
Not from there though.
I'm about to say, they didn't say anything about those.
Those are at Buffalo Wild Wings, and then you got the caution wings at Wing Warehouse.
The ones that you and Jayla tried?
Mm-hmm.
And Jaylen's like mouth was burning or whatever.
He was like, ah.
I love French fries.
Them like bacon bits.
No, that's more than bacon bits. Oh, and by the way, the camera's like farther away than normal, so I can't really like show you guys my food like up close. So I apologize, but unless you want to. Are you looking up there?
Well,
up there.
Like the camera? Yeah.
Like, are you looking here or there?
At the screen.
You try not to look down.
Why?
Because that's not where the lens is.
It'd be alright.
Okay. Is this good?
I have a problem with people not cleaning their chicken bones. Like, people that was like leave like a lot of chicken on it. It blows me, so I don't like it.
It's just kind of creepy. But it's like, this is for real a chicken bone. Wait, can you pause this? I don't know what's going on. And you're not even watching it.
I would.
No. He's on this Criminal Minds kick right now. Yeah. Before he goes back to school. They don't even know how old you are. You don't want them to know.
I'm 27.
Whoa. He's not. How old are you?
I'm 27.
He's 19.
I'm 27.
A freshman in college.
Yeah.
I love chicken wings.
You smack hard, bro.
Huh?
You smack hard.
You were just smacking so hard.
I was sucking my fingers, that's why.
No, earlier I was watching in the camera. You were...
No, I had something in my teeth, that's why.
No, you were just smacking. Why can't I smack? I like to eat.
Don't mean you gotta smack.
I just like to savor it. Oh.
Stop.
What? I don't think I've ever tried blue cheese. But I don't think I like it.
How?
That don't sound very good. Blue cheese. I like cheese.
Sound like a 5-year-old.
What?
You know what I'm saying?
Wow, look at that cheese. It's not even gonna focus because it never wants to focus. Oh wait, is it focusing? It's focusing on your, oh. Look at that, that cheese, and we're gonna dunk it into the ranch. Oh, I'm a pants. He literally just ran how many miles?
2 1/4.
2 1/4 miles. Just so he could come up here and eat this food.
I gotta practice on Monday, bro. I gotta...
He plays football, guys. You didn't say that, so they don't know what you're talking about.
I play bench, bro.
No, you don't.
Say you all the time.
But you trying to say you don't smack hard? You smacking hard as heck right now.
I told you. I didn't go to college to play school, man.
Okay, but part of college is school.
No, for real. You don't even learn in college.
I know.
College is the best way to get through college is just learn how to finesse, for real. I'm not saying cheat.
He is.
These are my resources.
What would you do if the camera wasn't even on the whole time?
I wouldn't care.
I'd be salty. I'm gonna quiz you.
You take the one.
Okay.
Gang, gang.
We'll do a quiz about each other, okay?
On the gang.
Huh?
On the gang.
No. Okay, what is my favorite color? Go. You have 10 seconds. 10.
Willow.
Okay. Ask a question about yourself.
Look.
Oh my gosh.
I know you know me. So I'm gonna ask you a question, you already know.
Maybe I don't know.
But you do.
Maybe it changed and I don't remember.
You do know.
Weird.
Anything about me, you know. I'm gonna report you.
See, I hate when y'all say that. I'm gonna report you.
Like you said that?
Yes. The YouTube feds. I love barbecue wings.
I'm sorry.
Why?
Cause, man. You only gave me one thing of blue cheese, though.
You want some
And
ranch?
I'm at the clumps.
You want some ranch?
Mm-mm.
Ew, it's clumpy.
Mm-hmm.
Can I smell it? Yeah. Nope. It smells like spoiled milk.
I'm gonna smell nothing. No.
Maybe it's just because you've been eating it so much that you don't smell it.
I used to eat ranch with it.
What's my sister's name?
Alexis.
Oh, okay. Real name. What's Willow's name? First and... Oh, shoot. What's Willow's middle name?
Cheyenne.
Whoa. No.
I didn't know Willow had a middle name.
Grace.
Nobody calls Willow by her middle name.
I do.
No, you don't.
I said Willow Grace. She comes.
Her name Willow. Your mom called her that dog.
I call her Willie. You call her Fatty. What's Blaze's
My mama's
middle name?
Blaze Alexander.
Okay.
A black dog in America, man. Blaze is my dog.
Willow's my dog. You guys have seen her, I think. Blaze is obsessed with my dog.
Blaze is like 6 feet tall. He like 200 pounds. I mean, huge.
About this big. And this tall.
Blaze is a chihuahua.
Yeah. See, and I feel like they could see me with the chihuahua and then you with Willow. No, just like looking at us on the street like, oh yeah, she'd have the chihuahua and he'd have the bigger, not bigger, but like a more normal sized dog. Nah.
You don't even like Blaze like that.
Huh?
You don't even like Blaze like that.
I love Blaze, he's just annoying. Which everybody else would say too.
Except for me.
No, you say he's annoying too.
He just be too needy,
He's a very needy dog.
And he don't leave me alone.
That's why I'm never getting a chihuahua. I think I'm tapping out. I'm gonna take this up to my dad. He's gonna destroy it.
That's the end of the video, man.
Huh?
That's the end of the video.
Do you want to be there?
You
want it to be there?
Good video.
Make sure you get some with the bacon.
You stab that roof in.
I need some water. Thanks.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
I told you to pray for me last night, man. I was watching The Conjuring, man.
I mean, I was sleeping when you texted me.
I was salty.
Yeah, he hates demonic things. I actually kind of like demonic things, which sounds so weird and sounds really bad. But I don't mind it. I think it's kind of cool. Oh.
I want to see if there's some blue cheese in the refrigerator.
I might have to take a nap. Okay. Okay. Oh, God.
So I go take out.
Huh? My goodness. Don't say that. Don't say that.
I can't say that.
No. You can't say
Yes,
that.
you can.
No, you can't.
Yes, you can.
No.
Yeah.
No, I'm taking it out.
We. That was gross. That was gross. You're disgusting.
They like the burps.
You're disgusting.
They like the burps.
You're disgusting.
Excuse me.
You're nasty.
You don't burp?
Nah, man. Perfect human being over here, you feel me?
Candle's done.
Alright, goodbye.
Huh?
Get out.
Oh, you wanna finish this off by yourself?
No, get out.
Huh?
Leave.
Well, go home.
Get home.
Okay. Let me just pack my food up and I'll bounce.
Alright, that's cool.
You want some of these?
See ya.
Just kidding. You can't get none because I
See
paid
ya.
for this. And you kicking me out your house. I did.
See ya.
Alright. No kidding.
One left. Here, napkin, please.
No, you told me to leave, bro.
I'm gonna get it myself. Wow. I'm gonna call you.
I really I ate a lot. It just doesn't look like I ate a lot because they just gave me a lot of food. That's disgusting.
Don't say nothing about disgusting. Before I talk about what you were doing earlier. That's nasty. You talking about?
Okay.
Everybody gonna follow me on Instagram. Back in now.
Oh my
They would
god.
cut your foot off for that.
You
piece of
never
chicken.
went to Vietnam, man.
How you know?
I just know.
You don't know me. Yeah, boy.
Oh, see, just when I start to pack it up. I don't care if you smacking. Smacking don't bother me. We can smack each other.
Alright, bro.
Exactly. I could do it all day long.
No.
Back it up.
I see your hair now.
Are you see? Yeah. It's not.
It's right here.
Can you get it out?
No. Still there. It's still there.
Robert.
It's still there.
Stop.
It's in your like your top part.
No, it's not. You're playing with me.
I'm not.
Thank you guys so much for watching. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and turn on this notification so you never miss a video from me. And follow me on Instagram at KendallChase_.
Why they follow me if they already watch your videos?
Because they want to be updated on my life, honey.
Follow me.
Oh yeah, and subscribe to my vlog channel, Kendall Chase. Okay? Okay? Follow him on Instagram, okay?
Yep.
Alright, this is... Say bye!